Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're going to solve a common issue that many WordPress users face: how to find your WordPress username and password using cPanel. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. I'm here to help you retrieve them quickly and easily. So let's dive in. Before we get started, let's quickly go over what WordPress and cPanel are and how they work together. WordPress is a super popular content management system that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. It started as a simple blogging platform, but has evolved into a powerful tool for building all kinds of websites. cPanel, on the other hand, is a web hosting control panel that provides a graphical interface to manage your web hosting account. Many web hosting providers use cPanel because it's user-friendly and simplifies the process of managing a website. Alright, now let's get into the steps to access your cPanel account. Step 1. Obtain your cPanel login credentials. Your web hosting provider should have provided you with your cPanel username and password. If you don't have this information, contact your hosting provider. Step 2. Navigate to your cPanel login page. Most web hosting providers will provide you with a specific URL to access your cPanel account, like https://example.com/cPanel or https://cPanel.example.com. Step 3. Enter your login credentials. On the cPanel login page, enter your username and password, then click the Login button. Once you're logged into cPanel, you'll see a variety of tools and sections. In the Files section, click on the File Manager icon. This will open the File Manager where we can access the necessary WordPress files. To find your WordPress username, we'll use the File Manager and phpMyAdmin. First, navigate to the WordPress installation directory. Usually it's in the public_HTML directory. Second, locate the wp-config.php file. Open this file and look for the line starting with $table_prefix $WP_year to identify your database name. Third, access phpMyAdmin through cPanel. In the Databases section, click on phpMyAdmin. Fourth, select the correct database. Click on the database name you noted earlier. Fifth, find the WP_users to table. This table contains the user information for your WordPress site. Sixth, identify the username. Locate the user_login column in the WP_users table. This column will display the usernames for all users. For the password, we'll reset it using phpMyAdmin. Begin with navigating to the WP_users table. Select the database and find the WP_users table. Next, edit the user's password field. Find the row with the username you want and click Edit. Then set a new password. In the user_pass field, enter the new password. Make sure to select MD5 for encryption. Lastly, save the changes. Click the Go button to update the password. Great job! Now remember to keep your login credentials safe, use strong, unique passwords, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. And that's it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. We're here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. See you in the next video.